How is rice milk made? A step-by-step guide. Have you ever wondered how rice milk is made? Making rice milk at home is a rewarding experience, especially if you're looking for a dairy-free alternative. Rice milk is a non-dairy milk made from rice grains and water, typically produced by blending cooked rice with water and straining out the solids. It's lactose-free, making it suitable for those who are lactose intolerant or allergic to dairy. The milk has a mild, slightly sweet taste and a watery consistency compared to dairy milk. To make rice milk at home, you'll need 1 cup of cooked rice, 4 cups of water, and optionally, sweetener and vanilla extract. Essential equipment includes a blender, nut milk bag or cheesecloth, and a bowl or pitcher for straining. Start by rinsing the rice thoroughly under cold water to remove excess starch. Soak the rinsed rice in water for at least 4 hours or overnight. Then, blend the soaked rice with fresh water until smooth and creamy. Strain the mixture to separate the liquid from the solids. Optionally, you can sweeten and flavor the rice milk by blending it again with sweeteners like maple syrup or honey and vanilla extract. Store the rice milk in a clean, airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 4-5 days. Shake well before each use as natural separation may occur. For different variations, adjust the water ratio to achieve your desired milk consistency. Experiment with flavors such as cocoa powder or cinnamon. Use the leftover rice pulp in recipes like pancakes or muffins for added fiber. Rice milk serves various purposes like being a refreshing beverage, a pour-over for cereals and oatmeal, an ingredient in smoothies, and a substitute in baking and cooking recipes. It can also be used in coffee or tea as a non-dairy creamer, and in desserts like puddings and ice creams. Making rice milk at home is simple and customizable to your taste preferences. Whether you're vegan, lactose intolerant, or enjoy kitchen experiments, homemade rice milk is a nutritious dairy milk alternative. That's just the tip of the iceberg. Join our Milk Makers Academy for free. Learn about plant-based milks and find tasty recipes. Click the link in the description now and unlock a whole new world of dairy-free delights.